When inserting the Neuroblade in the sheath, if the liquid has accumulated in the sheath, initiate continuous gentle suction 100 to 400 millimeters of mercury immediately once the Neuroblade contacts the liquid. When the Neuroblade reaches the clot, use the minimal suction required to remove it, as excessive suction can splash and obstruct the camera lens. When using suction to remove a clot, ensure that the side aperture is directed toward the clot. If the clot is too fibrous to remove with suction alone, toggle the blue button to the right and activate suction plus debridement mode. To clean the lens, first activate irrigation, followed by debridement mode. To control bleeding, place the shining electrodes on the bleeding site and initiate bipolar cauterization. Use continuous gentle suction to remove a clot sample for biopsy. The SCUBA technique can be used to identify bleeder anatomy or verify complete evacuation. During SCUBA, keep the Neuroblade lens positioned behind the black ring on the sheath.